gonna do a walkthrough of Unit 1206. It's a Royal Club Suite. And when you step into the Royal Club Suite, you are just mesmerized by the actual spaciousness of this room. So when I step into the room, I've got a living room, I've got the master bedroom, but importantly, you have a massive balcony with a spectacular sea view. So this is really the highlight here. You've got the infinitude of the Arabian Sea all around you. You've got this massive balcony, much bigger than the Royal Club Room. It's spacious enough that you can really spend time out here. You could put a yoga mat down if you wish. And the size of the window, the windows on both sides are long, and they provide an ample amount of natural light into the main room. So when we step into our room, we can see just how much natural light flows into the room. Another amazing thing is the sun sets right there. So in the evening, you have a spectacular view of the sunset from your balcony. Then you have this really great living space, love seat. You've got this overhead fan. You've got central AC, which is very important because split AC units are actually quite unsightly. You've got a temperature control here for the room, and you've got temperature control in both rooms, right? So you can set the temperature in the master bedroom at a different temperature than the living room. You've got two flat screen TVs. You've got a flat screen TV in the bedroom, and you've got a flat screen TV in the living room. I think the one in the living room is slightly bigger. You've also got space to make tea, coffee, whatever you want. You've got the steel kettle. You've got some goodies. I love these chocolates. I'm gonna have some of that. These chocolates are amazing. I'm gonna steal some of that later. You've got a full length mirror. I should also mention that you have an electronic safe and you have ample wardrobe space on both sides. So if I open it up, oh, you also have an iron and ironing board. Didn't see that earlier. So that's another convenience of the club suite. And a very, very spacious bathroom. So you've got the bathtub, which is not available in the Royal Club Room. This is a suite, right? So another big thing about this bathroom is just the spaciousness. You can see it's an actual proper walk-in bathroom with his and her sink, or his and her sink, however you wish to do it. You've got beautiful toiletries and amenities all around, nice bathrobes and towels. You've got a fully enclosed toilet area, a bidet, douche. You've got dual shower heads. You've got the hand shower, good quality soap and shampoos, right? The real advantage to this room is the spaciousness of the bathroom, right? You've got bathrobes, but that's available everywhere. But really the living room. The distinguishing factor is the living room. This is what distinguishes the suite from the Royal Club Room, as well as the huge balcony. If you go to a Royal Club Room, the challenge is you only have a balcony that's about half this size. So you would have a balcony from there to there. That's the size of a Royal Club Room balcony. But the suite has this deep, long balcony that spans both the living room as well as the master bedroom. Now I want to show you the study table when you've opened up all the blinds. So I've just opened up the blinds for you, and now from your study table, you have an unobstructed view of the sea. So why work from an office? Why work from home when you can really work at a resort and have spectacular luxury and Ayurvedic treatments and personal training and personal yoga and. Ayurooms is all about and. No request is too big or too small for us. We can handle your needs.